Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks sample video taken on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, as you can see, I am recording this video in the lovely green countryside just outside Edinburgh. We're still in lockdown here in Scotland, but I decided to go for a walk today within the recommended radius of our home, just to get some exercise and soak in some of this lovely sunny weather. As you may have noticed, it's a bit breezy, so the microphone on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S may be picking up some of that wind as it's recording. You can see in this case this field is just moving a little bit. We're going to have a car go past in a moment to add some extra background noise. So yes, we're recording this video in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is the highest setting the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S can take. And now we're going to take it for a bit of a walk to see what the electronic image stabilization on the camera is like. Candice, are you ready to go? Mm-hmm. Yes, Candice is eating her sandwich. And let's just test the high dynamic range by pointing it south into the sun. And we'll get back to walking. So this is handheld. I'm using two hands to hold the phone as I walk, and we're walking along this country lane. We're not far from Edinburgh Airport, which is very quiet at the moment. So thanks for watching this sample video taken on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you liked it, why not give us a like? But more importantly, if you'd like to see more content about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S and other devices, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.